Hi, so I have my LG V20 here. I'm going to show you quickly how to do a factory reset. So I'm going to turn off the phone by holding down the power button. And I'm going to choose to power off. And now what I'm going to do is, throughout the duration of the sequence, I'm going to have to hold down the volume down key. So I'm going to hold down the volume down key, and then I'm going to hold down the power button key. And then when I see the logo, the LG logo here, I'm going to release the power button, and then for a second I am going to push the power button again. So just to summarize, I am going to hold down this volume down key throughout the duration of this sequence, and then I am going to hold down the power button. When I see the LG logo, I'm going to release the power button, and then I'm going to count 1 second, and then I'm going to push the power button again. So let me go ahead. I am going to hold the left volume key. Now I'm going to hold the power button, and it's on. I'm going to release, wait 1 second, and then I'm going to push again, and this comes up. And it's not the recovery screen that you would expect from a normal stock Android phone. It gives you a choice to reset your entire phone, basically to delete all the data and do a factory reset here. So there is really no complete recovery button here. And to navigate, you're going to use your volume up and down keys. So you could toggle just using one key. And to select, you're just going to push the power button once. To select, I'm going to select no here, which means do not reset, or if I wanted to completely wipe out my phone and reset, I could push yes. So for this, I am simply gonna choose no, and then I'm gonna push the power button, and it's just gonna reboot. So there you go. That is how you do a factory reset on the LG V20. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.